Tell yourself, I am not going to worry. Every time you feel like worrying, I'm not worrying. Every time you feel like you feel a pain, I'm not going to feel pain. I'm not feeling pain. What are you doing? You are programming your life with positive things.
His Majesty King Somnala, World of Plenty Teleports on World of Plenty TV. Divine prophetic thoughts for your day. His Majesty King Somnala, Plentiologist.
Plenteous greetings. This is World of Plenty Daily Thought, divine prophetic thought for your day. So I want to talk to you about how to make your day a plenteous day. How to make a plenteous day. Many people, they think their life depend on the mercies of others, how they treat you in order to have a good day, or what I call a plenteous day. Now, this is not how the Creator, your designer, created you. You can't depend on us to have a good day, but you can depend on your thoughts. First, you must select what you think. That's why if you read the Bible, it says, be careful how you think. If it's anything good, think about the good thing. If you are going to have a good day, first, let's start. You must be able to practice a positive thinking. Number one, positive thinking. Think positive thought. Never think negative thought. You see? Number two, visualize the good that you want to have, feel, the life that you want to live today. You must picture it, visualize it in your mind. In fact, your mind understands symbols, pictures, more than the voices. Your mind learn more in symbols and pictures than in audio. So visualize your day. Number two. Number three, let go of all the negative things done to you, things that you do. You must have to learn to forgive yourself sometimes. Learn to forgive others. The word forgive, it means to let go. It means to divorce. It means to separate. It means to die from it. In other words, don't live on the negative things that done and said to you. Just let it go. Treat it as garbage. Treat it as something that doesn't need to. In other words, detox yourself from wrong thought. How do you detox yourself? Talk, think, meditate on the good, on the things that you want to see. Let's make an example. Let's say some bad news are coming. Somebody just throw bad news to you. What do you need to do? Simple. Tell yourself, I am not going to worry. I'm not worried. Every time you feel like worrying, I'm not worrying. Every time you feel like you feel a pain, I'm not going to feel pain. I'm not feeling pain. What are you doing? You are programming your life with positive things. In some case, you need to converse. If you need a wife, talk the wife you want to see. You need a husband, talk the husband you want to see. Whatever you want, the family you want, picture the family, create a family. Why is it important to create and picture the family? When you picture, you simply visualize what you want to see before you see it. Now, imagine if you're not visualizing the life you want to live, the house you want to live in, the car you won't see it even when it comes. Even if somebody give you, you will never know. You can only know what you have created. what you have visualize. Visualize, it means open what they call third eye. The third eye, something here, a third eye. So your eyes must be open. How do you see through the third eye? You just acknowledge you have a third eye. What science bayibiza ngokuthi pineal gland. It's located, they find it, they prove it is there between your forehead. Keep on living in the world of plenty and more than enough, where nothing is missing and nothing is broken. Stay blessed, stay plenteous, and then stay on top.
His Majesty, King Somnala, Plentiologist. His Majesty, King Somnala, the Plentiologist. His Majesty, King Somnala, World of Plenty telethons on World of Plenty TV. Divine prophetic thoughts for your day.